What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJ Y, and I'm back with the legendary Uncle Snoop Dogg and DJ Quik. In today's video, I want to show you Quik and Uncle Snoop reunited and making some fun together. So guys, I have some great news for you. Uncle Snoop Dogg and DJ Quik currently working on their first collaborative project. As my bird told me, in 2025, Snoop and Quik are going to drop their first collaborative album. So guys, stay tuned, we have a bunch of the crazy new music on the way in 2025. It was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. So guys, before I will finish the video, I have a question of the day. Please guys, honestly tell me who is your all-time favorite West Coast producer of all time. Waiting your answer in comment section. Honestly to say, my all-time favorite producer is legendary DJ Quik. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, peace.
YTV is in the building. YTV is in the building, baby.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit, YTV, just keep it going.